Ngizawunishuta amavidiyo wena Nosi.
Shuta amavidiyo saku-TikTok. Ngibizwa kahle.
Andisi ku-TikTok
Hayi
mina.
mina ngizokushuta ke ngizile live.
Ukuthi uyayirhola isasa
Ya,
mhlawumbe.
usuyahola. Ukwenzela ubuso bami ukuthi uyahola.
Uyayirhola isasa.
Ya, ngiyahola isasa. Uyifake futhi.
Le-370.
Na, ngakubonisa. Ngakubonisa nokona live.
Le-370.
Ya, nayi ngakubonisa. Uyamazi ukuthi tshontsho. I'm not even scared. We are public.
Eh.
I'm not scared. Umuntu ongisaba ngishaya uvalo.
Banama-rights angisemzansi.
Ngitshontshanga ngitshontsha.
Athi ANC bapha ama-rights.
Uyenze ne? Ubheke.
ANC bapha ama-rights.
Angitshontsha nokutshontsha. So I'm not scared.
The SASSA one, are you shocked? I'm not shocked.
No, I'm not shocked even you. I'm not shocked even your reaction. But I have nothing to be scared about. Angitshontsha.
Well, welcome to SNS Kesana apho sithetha ngeendaba zabantu singabuzwanga. Yho, hayi sana unozi. So this nosy girl apparently ungummi waseZimbabwe, and then she stole someone's identity. Now she's been caught Kesana on act, and she's showing people by and she is proud. She didn't steal anything. She's even getting a grant. And apparently she's a TikToker. Yo sana guys, go busy. Kuninzi as per Sims, right? Kunzima guys, kuyale sana. You wish South Africa. Undoyisile ke must come and say because he was still a talker, he was talking too much esithi bana umntu ade akhalela amapilisi ngathi yi-grant. Here they are bathatha i-grant. So what are you saying ke now? Because now bathatha i-grant ke Ndoyisihle yethu ye-South Africans, because on our understanding i-social grant ngeyabantu base-South Africa. Yo